Welcome back to another amazing and incredible and the best FPV channel there ever was. Right. Anyhow, on a serious note, I'm going to try and do a little bit more vlogging. Yes, I don't have my seatbelt on. Anyhow, I'm going to try and actually do a better job of vlogging when I go out to like these events with the groups and stuff like that. Most of the time, I get too busy bullshitting and not talking to anybody, and I just say fuck it, and I don't record anything. Or if I do, it's very, very little. So I'm going to try and do it a little bit more this time and do a good vlog video. So today, going up to one of the guys in our FPV group. It's his birthday. Going up to his house. FlyinSticks, happy birthday. And we're going to sit there and just bullshit and have a fun time. So like any other time. So now I have to stop and get gas. Okay, I'm out in the country, so I'm going to try and be sneaky with my little Insta360 Go 2. Out here, people be like, "Why are you recording me?" So zip up. I gotta take a leak. Oh, it's fuck is that? God. There's the birthday boy. How's it going? Good. I see us old guys are early.
We got 2.5 hour ride.
Yeah, well, mine's an hour and a half.
I had to run through St. Cloud.
Ooh, 9.
It's still early.
I'm gonna plug this in downstairs quick.
I showed up 20 minutes early.
All right, so say happy birthday to yourself.
Happy birthday to myself.
compact VHS.
Compact VHS, you say?
The lie that I tell my clients is finally.
I told myself that I'm actually going to properly vlog today. Yeah.
Welcome to the
I don't know,
spot.
something's going on.
The only way to do it is just you record all the time.
Right.
You hit record and say, "What's up, you guys?"
Oh, okay, Peter McKinnon.
Yeah, you have at least.
What's up, you guys?
So the only issue that I have with vlogging is I got to put the camera in my face, and it's like I get like so self-conscious that people are like, "He's weird. What is he doing? What a nerd! What a dork!"
Why
you
did
know?
he just say that? Is he really gonna put that in his vlog?
Yeah, it's like,
Yeah,
God.
but the only one who's thinking that is you.
Right.
Making my way downtown, vlogging fast.
He's running.
House of Pain.
Yep.
Alright, I need another Red Bull. Yeah, I'm not a vlogger. The only video you'll see from me is point footage.
I'm trying to vlog more.
There we go.
That thing is so light.
Yeah, that's what I like to keep it that way.
Your angle is so high and you're barely moving. You have a lot of room here, but it might be deceptively smaller than I think.
What is
Alright,
this?
Watch out
That
there, Toast.
is gonna be what? Oh, is that you?
Oh, you going up?
Well, no, he's right here.
Oh,
What
I was
channel
like,
are you on?
You get to
That's your 5-inch.
you get to throw a receiver in that.
What
boy
channel are you
and
on?
hold
I'm
onto
on-
it
I think I'm on
until you
R1.
splash it.
No way, dude, really?
Yeah,
Oh, fucking
that's the one I let Connor borrow when he was just hit his 5-inch.
If I lose video here, I mean, there's power.
And guess what?
So I don't want to have that happen. Just dunkel, yeah, to the left there.
Wait a minute. Now,
You got a receiver?
No shit. Oh, dude.
I got a soldering iron.
What the hell?
And solder.
What the hell?
it's just
I assume you know how to bind crossfire.
Yes.
memory.
All right.
Gotta do a line of sight, just kind of lift it up, set it back down, make sure it's not gonna flip off.
Just fly it. Just go. Just send it.
Oh, hell yeah.
Crash it. Send it. Destroy it.
I'm gonna hit start on 2 minutes.
Yeah!
Oh, look at that.
Right off the bat.
Right? Look, holy shit!
All right, Toast. How do you feel?
I feel fucking great, man.
You feel fucking great?
Yeah, dude.
Why do you feel great? Let's see your other quad. Let's see your other quad.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, pull out the other quad. Let's put it side by side.
Pull it out. Also, turn off the GoPro.
Telemetry
We're gonna
lost.
use it.
All right, hold on. We got to do a side by side comparison.
All right, we got 3 angles
Okay.
on the same thing here.
So,
Here, you
hold
do
it,
your
hold-
own
yep, hold it.
videography here.
Yeah, yeah. All right.
all right. So,
Here's a 5-inch.
yeah. Hold it straight up like this. Now show us what you played with before. Yeah. So we got this little tiny ass thing. That's what he learned on. That in the Sims. And now he's flying that, and he's flying it like a fucking pro.
Yeah, it feels good. It feels good.
Fucking pro.
Who's out there getting it?
Just, oh yeah. Get out of my blog.
Somebody insert more.
We got Dr. One in the house.
What's up?
Taking off.
Start flying some drones.
Oh, bad luck.
Pterodactyl.
It's bad luck.
Pterodactyl.
Yes.
pick it up. Found it. Look at that. Look at that. That's fucking jets. You're clear. Wait.
All right, so I am doing the walk of shame. So this is a great ending to
a wonderful, nice day of flying.
To a wonderful day of flying, and that man's birthday right there.